If I tap on Insights, that'll show us a lot of charts. You can see the overview, the total views you had in the past week, the interactions, total followers, and you can see individual content like how everything performed. And you can check that out for the last 7 days or any longer amount of time as well. If we tap on See All, you can see all the content I shared recently in the last 7 days, or again, maybe in the last 3 months. And if I want to dig deeper into something that maybe performed a little better than the rest, so let's go down and see if I have any content. This one right here, for example, seems to have performed very well. You can see 18,000 likes, 38,000 shares, and a little over 2 million views. So we can scroll down. It tells us a lot more about things like demographics. So it'll tell us some information about how long people watch this. It's a 40-second video. You can see how many different accounts were reached. So a lot of people rewatched the same thing. The average watch time is 22 seconds out of a 40-second video. It's not great, but it's not terrible. And if we go back to Insights, we can tap into views, interactions, or total followers. So if I tap on total followers, it'll tell us a little bit more about what cities they're from, what countries they're from, the age range, the gender split, how, when they're most active, for example, so you can figure out when the best time to post is, and other things like that. So that's all in Insights right there.